Creating snapshots in Configuration Manager for Jira Cloud lets you capture your Jira projects and configuration elements into a reusable package that you can later deploy to another Jira Cloud site. In this video, we'll show you just how easy it is to create a snapshot. To begin, open Configuration Manager, go to Snapshots, and click New Snapshot. First, choose what you want to capture. Select everything supported to create a system snapshot containing all currently supported projects and configuration elements, or choose specific elements to create a custom snapshot containing only the projects and configuration elements you select. After selecting your preferred option, enter a name for your snapshot. If you selected specific elements, click Select to open the configuration selection screen. Here, simply choose the projects and configuration elements you want to include. One of the biggest advantages of the granular scope selection is that during snapshot creation, Configuration Manager automatically includes any required dependencies. For example, if you select a workflow, Configuration Manager also includes the configuration elements that the workflow depends on, such as statuses, screens, and workflow schemes. Once you've finished your selection, click Save, then Next. Add a description and, if needed, a label for your snapshot. When you're ready, click Take Snapshot. After the snapshot is created, you'll be taken to the Snapshot Summary page, where you can review the snapshot details and included configuration elements, including any dependencies that were added automatically during snapshot creation. Whether you choose to capture your entire Jira configuration or only the specific elements you need, snapshots provide a flexible way to prepare, review, and reuse your configurations before deployment.